Today we're going to solve set 4 problems 21 and 22. Problem 21. If the square is completed with the letters A, B, C, D, and E, so that no row, column, or either of the two main diagonal lines contains the same letter more than once, which letter should replace the asterisk? Now we're going to look at the two main diagonals first. We have B in the center, which means B cannot go into any of these squares. And looking at the fourth row, we have A, B, and E missing. However, B cannot go into this box or in this box, so B should go to the far right. Now we have A and E left, but E is already in the fourth column, so E should go here and A should go in that box. Now we're going to look at this diagonal. We have A, C, and D missing. However, A is already occupied in these two columns, so A should go to the bottom left box. Now we're going to look at the bottom row. We have B, C, and D missing. However, B is already in these two columns, so B should go here. Now we have C and D left, but C is already in this column, so C should go there, and D should go to the center box. Now we're going to look at this diagonal. We have D, D, and E missing. However, since D is already occupied in the far left column, D should go in this box, so asterisk should be D. Problem 22. In a certain code, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals C, etc., words are encoded by multiplying together the values of their letters. So the code for square is such. And similarly, the code for rectangle is such. What is the code for triangle? Now, it's impossible to multiply all the numbers, so we're going to use the information given in the question. Now, looking at rectangle and triangle, we have some letters in common. Both words have angle, and both words have T and R. T and R. So the only difference between two words is E and C is replaced to I, which is the 9th letter in the alphabet, and C is 3rd, E is 5th. Now what we can do is divide this number by 5 and by 3 and multiply 9, and this is same as dividing by 5 and then multiplying by 3. Now let's do this simple calculation. We're going to divide by 5. 30, 3, so that's 15. We have 5, 25, and we have 2,000 left. 4, 20. Now we're going to multiply 3 to this number. 0, 0, 12, 15, and 19. So B should be the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.